Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Mr. Tri Kusuma Adi, MSc, as a course lecturer, final seminar assignment. Okay, in this special occasion, I'm Marsanada, as a student of Chemistry Department, Faculty of Science and Technology, University Maulana Malik Ibrahim. I would like to thank to Mr. Ed, Mr. Tree, who have given me an opportunity to present about my proposal with the title The Effect of pH and Contact Time on the Absorption of Cadmium Metal using Sonication Residue Adsorbent of Hydrilla Verticillata Modified with Substrate. My proposal presentation consists of four chapters. First chapter is background of the research. The second one is aim of the research. And the next is scope of the research. And the last one is research of methodology. The first thing that will be discussed is the background of the research. The underlying thing of this research is based on the Quran Surah Ashura, verse 30, which reads, وَمَا أَصَابَكُم مِّن مُّصِيبَةٍ فَبِمَا كَسَبَتْ أَيْدِيكُمْ وَيَعْفُو عَن كَثِيرٍ. The verse can it be interpreted that Allah doesn't want the work of His creation to be damaged by humans without responsibility as a caliph to protect. One of the organic ingredients that can be used is Hydrilla verticillata. Hydrilla verticillata is the most disturbing aquatic plant because of its rapid growth and survivability. Various efforts have been made to utilize Hydrilla verticillata, one of which is the extraction of phytochemical compounds using the ultrasonic assist extraction UAE method. However, the utilization of Hydra verticillata using the UAE method produces residues that must be reused, such as heavy metal bioabsorbent. Hydrolab can potentially become a bioabsorbent of heavy metals, such as cadmium, because there are metal binding groups from its content. Advanced Adult 2023 mentioned that the cellulose content was 29%, cellulose was 33.5%, and lignin 7.5% in the sonication residue of Hydrilla verticillata. In addition, research from Kamaruddin et al. 2019 shows that the protein content in Hydrilla verticillata is 18.15%. Assertion performance can be improved by modifying the functional groups on the surface of the adsorbent. One of the compounds that can be used to modify Hydrilla verticillata is citric acid. Citric acid is a natural organic acid that can modify Hydrilla verticillata by forming mono diandroesters with a hydroxyl group and forming at least two carboxylate groups on the biosorbent surface. The picture shows the direction of occurs if cellulose is modified by citric acid. Citric acid will attack the hydroxyl groups of the cellulose structure and will turn into a carboxyl groups. The absorbent capacity can be influenced by several factors, one of which is pH and contact time. pH can affect it because the exchange of metal ions and cations on the surface of the absorbent. In addition, contact time can affect him because the occurrence of diffusion and attachment of the adsorbent to the adsorbent along with the increase in contact time. Uh, and the next concept is aim of the research. The first is to determine the ability of citric acid modified Hydrilla verticillata sonication residue to reduce cadmium metal levels based on variation in pH and contact time. And the second one is to find out the results of characterization of FTI air obtained from the sonicated residues adsorbent of Hydrilla verticillata before and after modification with citric acid. And next concept is scope of the research. The first one is the sample uses sonication residue of Hydra verticillata originating from Lake Ranu, Kratie Pasuruan. The next is analysis was carried out on the ability of the sample as a biosorbent from cadmium metal in liquid waste from the UIN Malang Chemistry Laboratory using AAS. And the next one is biosorbent generalization using 0.4 molar nitric acid. And the fourth is pH variation were carried out at 3 to 9 and contact variation at 5, 15, 30, 90, um, 120, and 150 minutes. And the second one is analysis of optimum conditions on include pH and contact time. And the last one is the characterization used includes FTIR instrument. Okay, and the last consists is research of methodology. There are steps of the research. The first one is extraction of Hydra verticillata to obtain sonication residue as a biosorbent. Activation of a biosorbent with 0.4 molars citric acid, modification of biosorbent with 1 molar citric acid, and preparation of standard curve from cadmium solution. And the next is absorption of cadmium metal on chemical laboratory waste at Unimaliki by sonication residue hydroverticillata with variation pH and contact time. The next is characterization using FTIR, and then last one is data analysis using one-way ANOVA. Okay, index. Okay, thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.